Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today is Sunday, March 9th, 2020. 12 o'clock a.m. We are going to go ahead and do our eBay break. I do appreciate everybody who is joining us. I know it is late, at least on the East Coast. It is late, and we're going to get started. Not even do it. Can you bring me a knife? Yeah, let me do it. Now they go to school. All right. That works better. How about that? Hope everybody had a great week and a great weekend. I will say I am so glad that we had some warmer weather. Let me take it out. At least today we had some weather today. I think maybe last night too. I can't remember. And that I'm no longer terribly sick, because I gotta tell you, that was brutal. Brutal. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First up is Prism 2015. Let's see what we've got. So, anybody watch XSL game tonight? It was on the TV. I didn't get too deep into it, you know, the goings-ons. I heard a few names that, you know, haven't heard in a little while, which is good. Alright, let's get started with 2015 Prism. Green, that is Cracked Ice. Tom Lippett's rookie for the Dolphins. 70 of 75. Rainbow Prism. And Stephon Diggs rookie. rookie Trey McBride. Blue frame Dan Marino for the Dolphins. The solid color frames are not numbered. Eric Rowe rookie. Blue frame rookie Bud Dupree. And I can't remember to do that. Okay. If it's choppy, it should be fixed here in a second. James Winston, rookie. Die cut, that is Joe Flacco and Matt Stafford. Jesse James, rookie. Prism, Buck Allen, rookie. I think so. Prism. I keep forgetting to change the Ethernet cable over. Eric Armstead, rookie. Mine says fully connected. Let me see. Or successfully connected. Alright, is everybody up to date? Can everybody hear me? See me? YouTube dropped. It didn't drop in Facebook, and it didn't drop the recording. I said it didn't drop in Facebook or on the recording. Alright guys, sorry about that. YouTube went out. Give it a second to... I am still here. Just give me 1 second to get YouTube back up and running. Alrighty, so I'm not sure exactly when YouTube dropped out, but just a quick recap. We had Buck Allen, rookie, Prism, Bud Dupree, blue, Prism, Dan Marino, blue, Dwayne regular Prism, and Tony Lippett, rookie, cracked ice, which was 70 of 75. Alright, sorry about that. Should not have that issue up again, though. Looks good. Alrighty. Red Prism, Levante David. Cameron Artist Painting rookie. Cameron Wake die cut. David Cobb rookie. Alright, that is Red Prism Eli Harold rookie for the 49ers. 33 of 99. Desmond Lewis rookie. Die cut is Peyton Manning. Rookie, Randy Gregory. Die cut, Odell Beckham. Rookie, Shaq Thompson. Alan Hearns Prism. Trey Waynes rookie. Base. And alright, Kevin White. That is a rookie. Oh man. Variation. Whew. Antoine Goodley rookie. I knew that was going to take a second to come to me because not so many things have variations anymore, so. Roger Staubach green. Jalen Collins rookie. Alright, Blue Wave, Tony Romo. Is 1 of 150. Cowboys. Desmond Lewis green rookie. Jerry Langford rookie. Fireworks, Julio Jones, Air Marshal, die cut, Aaron Rodgers, and Josh Robinson, rookie. Red rookie, Eddie Goldman, a Dupree rookie. All right. Rookie, Javarius Daniels, base. Rookie die cut is Rookie Revolution, Amir Abdullah, Devin Smith, rookie. Emmitt Smith, blue, and rookie Eric Kendricks. Slide these to the side, and then we will look at our hits. We have Kenny Bell for the Bucks. That is a purple prism auto, rookie auto. It is not numbered. Alright, and we have rookie Melvin Gordon. That is a tie-dye auto. Alright, going to the Chargers. 6 of 25. 6 of 25. Melvin Gordon. Alright, that was 2015 Prism. We are going 2016 Classics. Alright, just a reminder with Classics, it does have collegiate cards. So, the collegiate cards go to the team in which they currently play for. If we get a hit, and it is a collegiate hit, and that player does not currently have a team, then we will randomize. Otherwise, current team. Feel like I should say it one more time. Current team. Alright. Let's get these open and see what's going on. Next is 2018 playoff. Yeah. What's his status right now? Melvin Gordon. charge it. Good. All right, let's see what we've got. We will go through the base. Well, guess we'll have to play for Mariota Future Legends, his spot, Monday Night Heroes, Earl Campbell, Mouse Jack Rookie, and base. Future Legends, Josh Jackson. Glossy, DeMarco Murray. Rookie, Devontae Booker. Glossy, Vernon Butler. Rookie, Corey Coleman. And base. Next level, Richard Sherman, Seahawks. Rookie, Kenneth Dixon, and base. All right, Thomas Tributes, Marcus Allen for the Raiders. It is 90 of 99. 90 of 99. All right. Let's see. We have Emmitt Smith, Record Breakers. Rookie, Demarcus Robinson. Michael Strahan, Classic Moments, Monday Night Heroes, Jerry Rice. Austin Hooper, Rookie. And base. Trey Madden, Rookie. Trey Aikman, Steve Young, Clashes. Derunya Wilson, Rookie. Nate Sudfeld. Sorry. Derunya Wilson, that is going to be a red back rookie. Short print. Nate Sudfeld, Rookie. And base. Next level, Larry Fitzgerald. Keith Marshall, Rookie. Monday Night Heroes, Kaepernick. Rookie, Thomas Duarte. And base. Tributes for the Cowboys, 1992. Glossy Jameis. Cardell Jones, Rookie. And base. Joe Namath, glossy. Oops. Sheldon Rankins, glossy rookie. Sue Cravens, rookie. And base. Classic Moments, Tony Dorsett. Next Level, Bo Jackson. Jerron Wilson, rookie. And base. Timeless Tributes. That is Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Jets. 11 of 25. I can't see his jersey number, but I don't think it's 11. Nope, he's 14. Alright, 11 of 25 for the Jets. Tim Brown, Record Breakers. Robert Kandichi, rookie. And base. Alright. Our hit, 2016 Classics, rookie Jonathan Williams. That is rookie auto, numbered 4 of 25. So a short print auto going to the Colts. Alright, he is for the Colts. So, good thing he has a team. Alright, that was 2016 Classics. We're going to randomize the Clashes card here. And at the end, we have 2018 Playoff. Alright, let's roll on and see what we have got. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Alright, Playoff Heroes, Troy Aikman, Hidden Gems, Julian Edelman, Amari Watts, rookie. Hidden Gems, Joe Klecko, Air Command, Phillip Rivers, Kerryon Johnson, rookie. Playoff Heroes, Tom Brady. Red Zone, Jermaine Kearse. Isaiah Oliver, rookie. And base. Hidden Gems, Terrell Davis. Touchdown Sensations, Odell Beckham. Julio Scott, rookie. Travis Kelce, Touchdown Sensations. Playoff Heroes, Nick Foles. And rookie, Javon Wims. Rookie Wave, Michael Gallup, Trey Alexander, rookie red zone, Darius Geis, rookie. Playoff Heroes, Peyton Manning, Hidden Gems, Richard Sherman, rookie Justin Reed, and base. Hidden Gems, Tom Brady, Thunder and Lightning, Tyler Lockett, Doug Baldwin, Josh Allen, rookie, Playoff Heroes, Kurt Warner, Red Zone, Khalil Mack, rookie Tremaine Edmonds, Touchdown Sensations, Julio Jones, Phillip Rivers, Red Zone, and Bo Scarborough, rookie. Alright, let's see what we've got. Rookie Stallions, Royce Freeman, going to the Broncos, solid color patch. Alright, and our auto is Braxton Berrios going to the Patriots. Rookie Red Zone auto. Rookie Red Zone auto. Interested to see what they look like this year coming up without Tom Terrific. Alright, we have patches and plates 2019. So, we played trivia the other night, and the only reason I got the colors right is because of one-on-ones. Alright, Legends. Terry Bradshaw. This one is 21 of 99. I think the question was the number, I mean the colors that were like M and C and something, and I know it only because I break cards. Alright, Legends, John Elway, 24 of 60 for the Broncos. Legends. I was otherwise horrible at. Alright, our 101 print play is Leroy Butler. This one is Legacy. 1 of 1 magenta. 1 of 1. Alright, Leroy Butler going to the Packers. Packers getting an awesome hit there. Alright, Jaguars, DJ Chark, 59 of 75. Look at the patches. I like this box because the patches that come out and everything is always awesome. Alright, so 2-color, 4-color, gridiron gear. Let's see if we can. 59 of 75. Alright, so the Jaguars getting that. And finally, for the Broncos, Drew Lock patch and auto. This one is 7 of 99, which is his jersey number, it appears. So not only do you have RPA for Drew Lock, but you have one of his jersey number. And it is technically a 2-color patch. Looks like his name is Ben and not Drew. But what else? Alright, that was Patches and Plates 2019. And finally, Panini 1 before we do a quick random. Give me that. Alright, gotta stockpile these boxes somewhere. It is going to the Patriots, Jarrett Stidham. Rookie, patch, and auto. The number is 70 of 99. Alright, there is your Panini 1 RPA. Jarrett Stidham for the Patriots. I guess he is going to be the one, maybe, to fill in. We'll see. Can you imagine being in Tom Brady's shoes? Oh, that's gotta be a little nerve-wracking. Alright, we have Classic Clashes. This is top and bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and randomize it. We're gonna roll the dice. Even is top, odd is bottom. Even is top, odd is bottom. 11. So it is going to the bottom. 11 it is. Which is 49ers. Steve Young. Alright. With that being said, let's do a quick recap. Terry Bradshaw, 99 for the Steelers. John Elway for the Broncos of 50. Marcus Allen for the Raiders of 99. Tony Lippett for the Dolphins. That one was 75. Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Jets. 11 of 25. 101. Leroy Butler going to the Packers. Braxton Berrios, rookie red zone auto for the Patriots. Kitty Bell, rookie auto for the Bucks. Jonathan Williams, rookie auto for the Colts, which was of 25. Melvin Gordon for the Chargers, rookie auto of 25. Royce Freeman for the... I'm so sorry. Royce Freeman for the Broncos. Patch. Jaguars, DJ Chark of 75. Patch. Drew Lock, RPA of 99. And Jarrett Stidham of 99 RPA for the Panini 1. Alright, that was our break for this evening. I know it was late, so I appreciate everybody who was able to jump in and join us. We will, of course, see you next weekend. Be sure to check our website for breaks that we have posted in the interim. And have a really good week, everybody.